How to treat materials to withstand the elements. You're on the boat show. Let me show you.
First of all, we have to understand the different types of metallic materials that are used in boating. To do so, today we are at Besenzoni, leading company in the production of mechanical parts for marine use. The most used metals are aluminium and 304 and 316 stainless steel. Both have their own process, mostly chemical, that makes them resistant to the most extreme weather events. Both aluminium and stainless steel are immersed in the first 5,500-liter tank of sulfate-base acid at a temperature of 30 degrees for degreasing. This first step is essential to treat the surfaces as best as possible. Then they are rinsed with demineralized running water. A positive feature is that at Besenzoni all the chemicals used for these treatments are biodegradable. Steel is now ready for pickling, meaning a more intensive cleaning of the surface which, thanks to sulfuric acid, cleans the metal of any welding residue or oxide. If the final effect is that of being polished and not painted. The last step will be in the electropolishing or chemical polishing tank. In it, 80 ampere electricity is transmitted through the material using anodes and cathodes, which infinitesimally erode the surface of the metal, making it perfectly smooth and bright. Otherwise, after pickling, the piece is passed under water pressure and set to dry, ready for painting. Speaking about aluminium, after the degreasing phase, it goes into the mortising tank, a very aggressive process on the surface that gives it a satin finish. A quick rinse and then into the open-pore anodizing tank. The process is similar to the electropolishing for steel, because due to electrical conduction in an aluminium electrolyte, using cathodes and anodes, a thin layer of aluminium and extremely porous aluminium oxide is formed on the surface. Now, the pores of aluminium are open and will remain so for the next 4 hours, the time within which the surface must be painted.
And now it will resist against the hardest condition. That's how to do it.